Hello guys! So bilang alipin ng Grace na iginagapang na lang ang seng na ito, nandito kami na aking partner na si G para gawin itong incentive for our training subject. You're my angel! So, one day lang namin siya ginawa. And it was such a memorable and eye-opening experience. Kasi each library talaga had its own personality na nagre-reflect kung saang department sila nabibilang.
Hintay niya ako matapos mag-video.
So, nandito kami sa SERP and na-amaze talaga kami kasi super spacious niya and very accommodating talaga yung staff. Like, binuksan niya pa yung second floor para lang makapag-ikot-ikot kami doon. And she really wanted to help us na, baka may resources kami for our thesis, ganyan. And then we explored. Ayan, meron pa silang leisure room.
Po siya for our thesis.
By the end, pinagsulat nila kami na message nila, ganyan, or feedback para sa library. It was so much fun. The music library was another favorite kasi the staff were so friendly. They gave us freebies and nag-play pa sila ng classical music. They just like vinyl.
Tawa ko siya. Ay, wow, modal. Okay, let's go. Oh, makuuntog ka. Ay, nahulog yung card mo, te. Ayan. Sige, pag yan na wala mo. Oh, sure.
And this is one of my favorite in BSB library kasi they were so accommodating. Pinatawagan pa nila sa amin yung ibang libraries na hindi bukas ng Monday para lang matapos talaga kami. And very supportive talaga sila. Here's a brief pasilip sa Centennial Library. Ang masasabi ko lang, ang ganda talaga. Super social, lakas maka-hotel. Babalik-balikan.
Ilan na lang? 3 na lang. Naka-witness yung tutorials and success na. Hindi pa din yung copy ko natin. Hindi pina-surpass yung limits natin. Shout out Kem. Shout out Kem.
Throughout this experience, I realized how each library in Pidliman carries its own story, purpose, and soul. While some are modernized and well-maintained, others still need support and upgrades. I hope they all receive the equal attention so every student can have a comfortable study space.
Hey guys, for the update, last na namin itong si tourism para makapunta sa main life.
Most of all, I deeply appreciate how the librarians and staff took the time to tour us and share the history of their libraries and ensure we had fun.